This story is mad good.
Thanks, boo.
Ice Spice?
Wait, who's that?
It's my ex, lemon lime soda.
You're looking well.
I just needed something more refreshing, more crisp. I'm with Starry now.
This is intense.
He's so vulnerable. But I love you.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety and the San Antonio Police Department. This is not a test. Your life may be at risk at this time, so please take it seriously. Moments ago, a curfew was ordered at 8 p.m., due to the appearance of creatures of unknown origin that have appeared in Bexar County. These creatures attack anyone who is in their reach and can change their shape in their own way and can transform into people such as family, friends, animals, or even fictional characters. His form of attack is to approach the victim, attack him and completely suck him dry. He can also lure people into dark areas to kill them instantly. As a result, the San Antonio Police Department has issued a curfew for all of Bexar County. Failure to comply with this order will result in incarceration or death if the situation warrants. Therefore, please follow these recommendations. Do not separate from your family or company. Go to a basement, shelter, or stay in a place where the creature will see you. Close doors, windows, and curtains to prevent this creature from killing you and your family. Avoid dark areas because you may be attracted to it. If any of your family members are attracted to this creature or the darkness, there is nothing you can do and you can consider it as another victim. If you can, shoot this creature with a firearm with silver ammunition if you have it. Try to calm your children need you in this situation. Prepare supplies such as water, food, and a first aid kit. If you can't take this creature down, run as far away as you can. KSAT 12 and other stations will still be on the air bringing you information about this event. Try to stay calm in these moments of tension. Normal programming will return in a few moments.